Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine and so am I. Can you see this rose? I got a rose for you all because you all are very sweet. And you know what? Our today's rhyme about that only. So let's start our today's rhyme. Welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. Okay, so in this picture, what do we see? We see a girl and there is a rose, okay? And I am also having a rose and roses are red in color. Roses are red in color. Then there are violets. These are in blue in color. These violets are in blue in color. And there is sugar. There is this box of sugar. Sugar means chini. Okay. And I also have a box of sugar with me. See? There's the sugar in this container. Okay. Now, let's start our today's rhyme. And you will all sing the rhyme with me. Okay. Let's start. Roses are red. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. Sugar is sweet. And so are you. So are you. Okay? It's a very lovely rhyme and I love this rhyme. So let's sing it one more time. Okay? Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Okay? So, let's sing it one last time so that you can learn this rhyme. Roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. Okay? Oops, I forgot to tell you that there are so many roses you can see here on my dupatta. Can you see? There are so many roses here. Okay? So, and they all are in red in color. They are in red in color. Okay. So, you all will learn this rhyme at your home with your mama. And now, we will see you in the next class with another rhyme. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.